Giuseppe, what are you doing?
I'm doing the tow truck. I got another line that leaks. We already fixed two. Remember?
Bro, this truck's from 98 or 99. It's gonna, you know, we're gonna change every one of them, I think, huh?
One of them. I actually need the tow truck, to be honest.
What do you need it for?
I got a junk car. It's like a 54 Buick. 4-door. It's nothing good. It's a parts car. Remember, we got the door handles off. You know, the inner door handles.
Oh, for your little truck.
For the little truck. That car.
Right, right.
And I need that car because I need the headlight bulbs for my 56 Chevy.
Right. All right, so you got the hose off.
This is off one side.
Yep.
And now you are going to help me. I'm going to go to that side. I'm going to shake the hose. So you're going to tell me if this is shaking a little in the front. This way I know which line it is.
Only if you say please.
Per favore.
Per favore. Listen to this guy over here. What else are you doing today?
Well, I'm doing the mayor's car. And
you got filler on,
I got
right?
filler on that. But now I'm going to finish this for today because it's almost the end of the day. I'm going to finish this, and then that's it. Because I don't want to do body work with a mechanic, and then body work, because then it's a mess. It's a mess. So
why is it a mess?
Well, grease and Bondo doesn't go together very well.
Yeah, you're not
kidding.
What I mean? What does it equal? If you're painting a car and you got oily hands and oily clothes, what happens?
Fish eyes you get when you paint a car. That's not going to work.
Why? What's a fish eye?
Fish eye is what's in the paint. It's like a little dimple in the paint that goes inward, not outward in. Anyway, I'm going to get a cut plier and cut those off real quick.
You got it. Let's do it. Yo, say it.
What? No, that's your line.
Yeah, but how the heck am I going to... All right, wait, let me try. Ready?
Here, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up.
Back up.
Back up. No, more. Good. More.
Back up more?
More. Back up. More. More.
Yo, get the out of here. How's it looking, bro? You got it off?
Yeah, I got it off.
You don't sound happy.
No, I don't.
What's the matter?
Shit.
What's the matter?
God is full of hydraulic fluid now.
Did you learn something today?
Shit, now it's f***ing shit. Now my arm's stuck.
Oh, it's all over you again.
Are you f***ing with me?
No, I'm f***ing helping you. Hold on. You want me to slide out while you hold it? Oh my God, it's all over underneath your arm. All right, it's okay. Come on. Here. Want me to pull you? Here.
Wait, all right, stop. All right.
I'm pulling his leg. Oh!
All right. Look at this.
Yo, you made a mess. It's still dripping. Come on, pull it out.
Just a little.
It's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it.
Eh.
I was saying it. You're doing that thing again. Keep pulling. There we go. You did it. You got it. How you doing over there? I don't know when I don't pay. What's the matter with this thing?
Alright, well, look, there's a rip in it somewhere. You probably can't see because there's a little goo. But yeah.
Can you look? What kind of car is that? Look at the car. Is that your filthy?
What?
Nothing. You got shit all over your ear.
It is? It's alright. What are you going to do?
This is the section of hose.
This is for the bed to go up and down. You
So
know
it's a full length. It goes from here all the way to the back.
You know when the bed, you pull it back and then it goes like this to put it down? When it goes like this, that's that hose. That's what leaks right now.
It goes like this.
So I got that out. When I go to the store, they're going to make me another one. You can't just get any old hose and you just put a radiator clamp on it because this is a high pressure hose.
Yeah.
This ain't going to work. See how it has these metal things over here and then it screws in? They have this machine that crushes this into it, and then this is all like all one piece with the rubber. This is rubber over here.
See right here? This is all crushed together. That's what makes it a high pressure hose. Plus, the hose itself is different grade.
Right.
What's that? Even with this dirty thing, I think we're done for today, right? There's one thing to say.